Hello everyone, welcome to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, we will discuss the proper function and how we can use it to format name properly in Google Sheet. As you can see here, all the names, whether they are individual words, letter, or even a sentence, are currently written in all capital letters. Now I want to convert them to proper case where the first letter of each word in capitalized and the rest of the letters are in lowercase. This also applies to every word in a sentence. Each word will start with a capital letter and the remaining letters will be on lowercase. Here, how we do it? We will use the proper function. Type is equal to and then proper, followed by selecting the cell that contains the text you want to format, bracket close. Once you press enter, that the first letter of each word is capitalized and the rest are the lowercase. Now if I copy this column, we notice that all the names are now in proper case. I hope this video helped you understand how to use the proper function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.